Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to see if you were blocked on Facebook. Why would you want to know how to see if you were blocked on Facebook? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook and not sure how to see if you were blocked on Facebook. So today I am going to show you how to see if you were blocked on Facebook. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Seeing if you were blocked on Facebook is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Facebook. Now you are seeing profile icon at the left corner. Click on it. Scroll down. Now you are seeing friends. Click on see all friends. Now in search section, search a friend you think he or she blocked you. If they are appearing here, then they haven't blocked you. If they are not appearing here, it's mean they blocked you. There you go. If you wanted to know how to see if you were blocked on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.